Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Hey everyone, today we're checking out the newly launched Honor Magic V6 foldable phone. I've spent quite some time using it recently, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through a full detailed review of what this device is all about. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. The Honor Magic V6 has pushed boundaries when it comes to foldable design, breaking its own records for thinness and weight multiple times over the past 3 years. When you unfold it, it's even slimmer than an Air, and when folded, it's about as thin as a Pro model. Whether you're holding it during a tear-down session or using it one-handed in a meeting, it feels incredibly comfortable, even after long periods. In fact, there are moments when you almost forget you're holding a foldable at all. What's impressive is that, despite being so slim and lightweight, durability hasn't taken a hit. The outer display features Honor's latest diamond poly-tin glass, which offers improved resistance against drops, scratches, and everyday wear. So whether it's minor bumps or daily usage, it holds up really well. On top of that, the Magic V6 introduces a fresh new color lineup. The one I have here is the Sun Gold variant, and honestly, it stands out the most among the 4 options. For lighting, it gives off a unique blend of bright sunrise tones and a refined golden finish. No matter where you use it, it definitely grabs attention and feels premium. Now, after looking at the design and colors, let's talk about a small downside. The Magic V6 is about 2 grams heavier than its predecessor. It's a tiny difference, but it reflects a conscious trade-off by Honor to keep up with the trend of larger batteries. And speaking of battery, this is where things get really interesting. The Magic V6 delivers major advancements in battery tech, including improvements in capacity, silicon content, thickness, and energy density. It's actually the first foldable to pack a battery at the 7,000 mAh level. I ran a full usage test myself, and after 3 hours, it still had 73% battery left. For professionals constantly on the move, attending meetings, and visiting clients, this kind of battery life is a huge advantage. And if you've used it, you already know how reliable it feels. For many business users, choosing a foldable isn't just about looks, it's about boosting productivity. With Magic OS X, you get a smarter, AI-powered office experience that truly enhances multitasking. Take the AI Meeting Advisor, for example. With so many product launches and meetings happening, it's easy to miss important details. But this feature acts like a personal assistant. As soon as a meeting starts, the system detects it and suggests enabling the AI Meeting Advisor. With just one tap, the screen splits automatically. Your meeting materials appear on one side, while real-time notes show up on the other, making everything much easier to follow. Another highlight is how Yo-Yo helps track speakers. Whenever someone begins talking, it instantly identifies key points and notifies you through both audio and on-screen prompts. During the meeting, you can quickly save important highlights and even ask questions about earlier discussions on the spot, without digging through notes afterward. Everything is right there when you need it, and it seriously boosts your efficiency. There's also a feature I found extremely practical: AI document intelligence. Say you want to access a presentation or document from someone else's device, but you don't have a cable to transfer it. No problem. With Magic OS X, you can simply take a photo and the system converts it into an editable digital document instantly. And it's not just for viewing. You can actually modify the content directly while keeping the original formatting intact. It's a super convenient way to handle documents right from your phone. When it comes to software, the Honor Magic V6 brings in some really smart additions. Take stock trading, for example. If that's your thing, you're going to appreciate this feature a lot. Earlier, checking 2 different stock charts meant switching between apps, but now there's a dual stock view that lets you monitor both on a single screen at the same time. It makes everything faster, more convenient, and helps you make better decisions without the hassle. The Magic V6 also comes equipped with dual black diamond displays, both inside and out. The outer screen uses pure glass with an incredibly slim 1.18mm bezel, along with perfectly balanced curved corners on both sides, giving it a true flagship-level viewing experience. On the inside, the display has been refined with evenly sized bezels, which makes everything look cleaner and more satisfying, especially if you're someone who notices those little details. Display quality is another strong point here. Both screens feature an ultra-low reflectivity of just 1.5%, so even in tricky lighting conditions, the visuals stay clear and easy to see compared to many other phones. The inner display also uses a newly improved ultra-tough UTG glass. As for the crease, it's among the best you'll find in the foldable category. Even after more than 2 weeks of heavy usage, the screen still looks impressively flat. From straight on, the crease is barely noticeable. This subtle crease not only improves the viewing experience, but also shows how well-built and durable the device really is. Under the hood, the Honor Magic V6 is powered by the full-performance 5th generation Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, combined with Honor's own graphics engine. The result is smoother multitasking, better multi-window handling, and a more fluid gaming experience overall. Cameras have also seen a solid upgrade. The phone includes a 64-megapixel periscope telephoto lens and supports the same SEPA 6.5G night stabilization technology found in flagship devices. I personally used it a lot during the Chinese New Year, and the photos turned out great. The colors are vibrant and rich, which really adds to that festive vibe. The telephoto performance is especially impressive, with excellent detail, strong highlight control, and images that look sharp, bright, and natural. All things considered, the Honor Magic V6 isn't just about being ultra-thin and lightweight. It removes the usual bulk associated with foldables and tackles battery concerns with its massive 7,000 mAh capacity. On top of that, you're getting a complete flagship package: premium dual displays, durable materials, IP68 and IP69 water and dust resistance, powerful performance, and AI-driven features that genuinely improve productivity. As for pricing, the base model of the Honor Magic V6 starts at 8,999 yuan in China, which is roughly 973 pounds in the UK and about $309 in the US. Looking at everything it offers, it delivers top-tier performance across all key areas and truly lives up to its reputation as a standout foldable of the year. So, what do you think about this all-in-one flagship? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.